The best ways to build an affiliate marketing plan. Affiliate marketing involves the use of many different strategies and techniques, some requiring more advanced technological knowledge than others. You also need to consider who you are targeting and the item you're promoting. Haphazardly advertising your product at every available opportunity will gain you a few sales, but there are far more effective ways to market your product. Carefully plan every move before you strategically implement it. To be a successful affiliate marketer, you have to say no to some ventures. Make sure you can handle everything that's already on your plate before you take on another task, and always remember to only involve yourself in productive tasks that will eventually lead to profits. Leave those maybe tasks for someone else to do, you need to focus on results. Use a plugin to help you rotate the advertisements on your site. Eliminate the ads that are not making any money to free up some space for new ads that may work better. Track this internally through your account on the affiliate marketing site that you are working through. To get the most out of an affiliate marketing program, it's vital to know your audience. Find out why people are coming to your site and what they are looking for. Provide affiliate products that meet their needs. Focus on things that are relevant to your site and are more likely to catch people's attention. A great affiliate marketing tip is to sign up on a business-related social networking site. These types of sites are great because they get you in touch with lots of people and they are strictly professional. Operating on a professional social networking site will make you look professional and people will take you seriously. Implementing the ideas delineated above will help you pull in the right individuals and maximize your profit potential. As you gain experience, you will develop your own strategies and tactics. Even as you advance your skills, you can never forget the basics. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.